Here are some quick tips to greenify your home.
Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin'.
How to make your home more environmentally friendly. Most electronic devices use energy even when they're not turned on. They might be plugged in, but they still drain energy even if they're turned off. Unplug things that you aren't using. Pull the plug. Replace your old light bulbs with LED light bulbs, where possible. They use less energy and they last longer. Wash laundry in cold water. 80 to 90% of the energy used when you're washing is actually from heating up the water. Plus, washing in cold water protects the color and prevents fading or shrinking. Replace old and inefficient appliances. Look for the Energy Star when you're shopping for appliances. Replace your toilet with the low flow toilet. They can use up to 20% less water per flush. Some people might need a high flow toilet. Same goes with the shower head. Isn't it just like a trickling shower head? Trip. When painting your house, look for VOC-free paint, volatile organic compounds. Traditional paints contain VOCs, which can give off what? Toxic fumes that can remain in your home for up to 5 years. There are a ton of ways to greenify your home. Share some ideas that you're using, and I'll see you in our next video next Wednesday.